Okay, so your DIY bleach session didn't go as planned. Now your hair's got streaks of yellow, orange, and maybe even some ash. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through why it happened, how to fix it, and most importantly, how to avoid it next time. Uneven bleaching usually happens for 3 reasons. The bleach wasn't applied evenly or fast enough. Your hair had leftover product, oil, or previous color. You used different volumes or didn't process all sections the same amount of time. The result? Uneven tones. Some brassy, some too light, some still dark. The fastest way to make uneven bleach look better? Toning. Use a purple or blue toner based on the brassiness. Yellow patches, purple toner. Orange patches, blue toner. Let it sit for 5 to 15 minutes depending on your product. Always strand test first. If toning isn't enough and some areas are still dark or orange, you can re-bleach, but only the uneven spots. Never bleach the whole head again. Apply carefully and watch closely to avoid overprocessing. After bleaching or toning, your hair is fragile. Use a deep conditioner or protein mask to restore moisture and elasticity. Avoid heat styling for a few days. Check out the difference, from uneven and brassy to toned, smooth, and totally wearable. Bleach fails happen, even to pros, but with a few careful steps, you can absolutely fix uneven bleach at home or prep for a salon visit the right way. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more honest hair advice and real-world fixes. And drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to help.